Poison candy.
Please. Can you make us have thousands of likes? Please. We are pangit.
We are ugly. Like he said.
We are ugly YouTubers.
Okay.
We are
Let's
we are bad YouTubers that make bad views. That's why we're bad YouTubers. So please make us like the other YouTubers.
Oh,
Oh,
this one is
come on,
long.
down.
This one is long. Okay. Me first. Turn around. You don't close our eyes. I pick this one. You're done because I'm the middle. Wait. This one. Hanggang.
Hard.
Wait ko naman. Pick some. Yeah. Are you done?
Stop.
Okay. Don't eat it, your poison candy, okay? Knuckles. So, hey.
Yum. Ooh, this one big.
Danger!
It tastes like fungus.
Danger. Let's just eat the candy.
I see the danger.
This one is like,
Let's put the dangers over here.
this is chocolate with some powder in it.
It's very sugary. It's not like the big ones.
This one is like all chocolate. Yeah.
You know those guys cheat?
Yeah.
And yeah.
This one. The big one. Yeah.
This one is poisoned. Because this is mine. Is this one poisoned?